Emacs, how to indent/unindent region of Python code by 4 spaces. I have a region of Python code selected in Emacs. What are the most efficient ways to indent and unindent every line in it by 4 spaces? Ideally, I'd like something that's not context sensitive, e.g. it'll allow me to indent passages within docstrings where the indentation does not relate to Python syntax. My mode line shows Python. Searching the web, I found a lot of discussion of using Python mode instead of Python, but I only started using Emacs a few days ago, so I'm wary of changing defaults before I have had a chance to understand them. If changing to Python mode is the best option, I'm happy to accept that as an answer. What I've tried, from the manual. And LT, tab and GT, no effect. CM / no effect. CX and LT, tab and GT, indent rigidly, indent every line by 1 column, and deselects the region. MI indents one first line by a tab, length of 8 spaces. CMQ is undefined. The only way I've found is using regex replace, but that's an awful number of keystrokes for such a simple task.
Assuming that the variable Python indent is 4,
indent rigidly takes a prefix argument indicating how much to indent by, so, cu42cx tab, indents by 42 columns, and since the default prefix argument is 4, cucx tab, indents by 4 columns. If you want to select the region again, do cxcx afterwards.
Use the indent rigidly command with a numeric prefix. cu4 meters x indent rigidly, to indent the region by 4 spaces, cu-4 meters x indent rigidly, to remove 4 spaces.
CXCX mark the code and then MX indent for tab mode. That's the save if you have pressed tab for every line.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.